Hello guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I share with you guys this Nigerian local sauce and local salad and this local rice recipe. If that sounds something interested, keep watching. Have some crushed pepper, locust beans, diced onion, vegetable oil, salt, crayfish powder, and some basmati rice. You can use any rice of your choice. I added some oil into the pot and allowed to heat up. I added the chopped onion and locust beans and I will stir fry it for about 2 minutes on a low heat just for the onion and the locust beans to release the flavor into the oil. I added the crushed pepper and I will fry it for extra 20 seconds. I added the washed rice and the crayfish powder and I will fry it on a low heat for 2 to 3 minutes. When you stir fry rice like this, it adds a lot of flavor into the rice. I'll go ahead and add enough water to cook the rice. I also add salt. I lost that clip. I will cover it and allow to cook. While the rice is cooking, let me introduce you guys to the ingredients for the sauce. I have palm oil and vegetable oil, locust beans, 2 seasoning powder, crayfish, diced onion, pepper mix, salt, and fish. I don't know the English name of this fish. Please, if you know it, leave it in the comment section. At this point, the rice is half cooked. I'll cover with plastic bag and use the lid to trap the heat in. You can also use aluminum foil to cover it. The rice is perfectly cooked. I will remove the plastic bag, fluff it around and set aside. In a pan, I added some oil and I add 1 onion. This is optional. You don't have to add onion into the oil. And I'll go ahead and add the fish and fry it. The fish is perfectly fried. I will remove from the oil and set aside. a wide pan, I added the palm oil and vegetable oil. You can use only palm oil or only vegetable oil. I added the chopped onion, the locust beans, and I'll go ahead and fry it a little bit. I added the crayfish and I'll go ahead and fry it for extra few seconds. I added the pepper mix and I have a video on how I prep and store this pepper mix. I will leave it in the card. If you are interested, you can check it out. I added the seasoning powder and some salt, and I will stir everything together, cover and allow to cook. The sauce has been cooking for over 15 minutes. I stir them together and I'll go ahead and add the fish. I also have one boiled leftover egg. I'll go ahead and add that as well. That is optional. You don't have to add egg. I will stir them together, cover and continue to cook. At this point, the sauce is done. Give it a final good stir and set aside. It looks so beautiful and it tastes absolutely delicious. Let's head over to the salad. I have 2 carrots, 1 small onion and 1 cucumber. I'm going to use half of the onion. Use any veggies of your choice for the salad. I went ahead and peeled the cucumber and carrots, and I'll cut the cucumber into small pieces and go ahead and shred the carrots. I'm going to add a little bit of salt and a little bit of olive oil. Feel free to add lemon, apple cider vinegar, anything you like at all. Feel free to add them, but this is how I want it. I will just go ahead and stir them together. this is another great way to enjoy your rice. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, leave me a comment, share with your friends and family, and I will see you guys in my next video.